I think in the end, if we look at the balance of the second half, if I'm being honest, is it might have been a point gained because, you know, they could have won it. A little bit more self-confidence, maybe assurance in the last third for ourselves, and we may have nicked one as well in the second half. But it became open because we made it an open game. We tried to go for 3 points. You know, once we're 1-0 up and we're comfortable, the dream start against a team like Georgia, you score early, and we got that. But then afterwards we sat back, invited them on, and that's never the way to go about it. You know, in the end, they're technically a good team. They caused Ireland a lot of problems. You know, they hit the bar, hit the post against Ireland. We looked at it, we watched, we knew what they're capable of. But we invited them on, and you know, they punished us, and it could have been worse for us if I'm being honest.
Dwi'n meddwl fod bob gêm yn mynd i fod yn dyn. Dwi'n meddwl fod ni'n mynd i weld mwy o gemau cyfartal yn y dyfodol yn y grŵp yma. Dwi'n meddwl fod tîmau wastad yn mynd i gymryd pwyntiau ar ei gilydd. Dwi'n gwybod fydd yna lot o bobl wedi dweud o, mae yna 4 tîm yn y ras. Ond mae Moldova a Georgia yn mynd i dynnu pwyntiau o'r tîmau fel da ni wedi gweld yn barod heddiw yma. Mae'n mynd i ddigwydd eto, dwi'n meddwl fod y grŵp yma'n eithriadol o dyn, a dydy'r 2 dîm a pawb yn meddwl sydd yn dîmau gwan. Dyn nhw ddim yn dîmau gwan, ac tos am dîmau gwan ar y lefel yma, ac mae rhaid i ni ddal i bigo pwyntiau i fyny ac gobeithio ar ddiwedd y ras yma bydd y pwynt yma yn troi allan i fod yn bwynt gwerthfawr i ni.
Dyn ni'n siomedig sydd oedd y canlyniad wedi mynd yn y diwedd, ond o'n i wedi dechrau'n eitha dda, ond yn y diwedd y perfformiad ddim y castel dyn ni wedi wara.
We're disappointed with the result. We felt like we started the game well and maybe we got a bit sloppy and we paid for it. But yeah, I think it's a bit of a wake-up call. It's we can try and take the positives, and yeah, we don't want to feel like this again. So it'll give us a kick in the right direction, and we'll take it as a positive and then try and win the next game.
A big game against Serbia now in a month's time. How important will it be to take 3 points from that game?
Well, it turns into a must-win now, definitely, you know, at home as well, and we can't afford any more slip-ups, so we need to win that game. It's clear now. So, you know, we'll as I say, we'll pick ourselves up, we'll have a good camp, and we'll try and put it right, or, you know, all the things that we got wrong today.
Ash, diolch yn fawr iawn. Thanks very much. Appreciate it.